Hi, I'm Andrew Moore, here for another Your Library at Home digital media camp. Last time I did a program, I talked about the Cameo Silhouette sticker maker that we have in Studio 270, how to make do-it-yourself vinyl stickers. Today, I'm going to talk about converting videos that were shot in the horizontal format to the vertical format that is necessary for Instagram TV, Instagram stories, and other vertically viewed formats. And we're going to do that using iMovie. So iMovie, it's already open here, but this is the icon. So if you have any Apple product, then you either have iMovie already or you have access to it in the App Store for free. So whether it's an iPhone, iPad, iMac, or a MacBook Pro, any type of laptop from Apple, you do have iMovie on there. I should backtrack. Maybe if you have one from like the 80s or 90s, you don't. But any current model, you're definitely going to have it. iMovie icon looks like this. We're going to use the desktop version. If you use the mobile version, it's a little bit different, but you should be able to apply the same principles. So, speaking of that do-it-yourself sticker video, I'm going to pull that in. So this was filmed horizontally, but what if I wanted it to be vertical for IGTV? So let's try it out. I need to go to the cropping tool here, and then I need to flip it either to the left or to the right. So I'm just going to go this way. Alright, great. And now what I need to do is crop to fill. And you want this to be, so whatever you're cropping here, that's all that's going to come into the picture once we have this final product. So it doesn't work great for all videos, but you want to do the best that you can to have the center. So this actually looks like it's going to turn out decent. We're going to probably cut out some things, but most of it's in the middle. So, alright, so we're good there. Return. Alright, so now it's blown up. Check it out.
Okay. Keep it about right here. There we go. I got a nice square pad.
Alright, so that's step one. I'm going to shorten this before the export because I don't want to take too much time on exporting. I'm just really trying to give you all an example of how to. So we're going to cut it down to about a minute. Then I'm going to go up here to File. By the way, I did that by hovering over right here. So it's where the edge of the file is. You could hover over it, and then that's how you could easily make it longer or trim the clip. So that's what I did to make it shorter. Alright, so here I am. I'm going to share, file. Let's name it DIY stickers IG vertical. I'm going to set my quality to best. As you can see, that made the file size a little bit bigger. And I'm going to go for my compression to better quality instead of faster. That means it's going to take a little bit while for the file to convert, but it's going to get the best quality possible. So next, save it to your desktop or anywhere else that you could find easily. I'm going to go desktop, save. Alright, so once this little circle fills up and it's a full piece of pie, we're going to have this zoomed in video to work with. See here, it popped up on the desktop, but it's not quite ready yet. And here we are. Alright, step two, I double click to open this. I'm opening with QuickTime Player. You could likely do this in other players as well. I use QuickTime Player. Works fine for me. I recommend QuickTime Player. So you've got the video. You're going to go now to Edit, Rotate right. Now it's upright.
More. Recording here at Studio 270. That's our talk about got for you, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Silhouette sticker maker today. Alright, so it's going to be to get an accurate cut when you.
Alright, so we got it. It worked. Now I'm going to save this. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to export as 720p, so it's the same quality that it started as. And again, DIY stickers, final vertical. You don't have to call it that. I put it in all caps for a final typically, just because it's something visually that stands out when I'm looking through files. So if I have multiple versions of something, I could see, all right, all caps, that's the final. All right, so do-it-yourself sticker is final. I'm gonna move it from documents to desktop so I can find it easily right now. Save. And as soon as that's done, you will have a new version that's vertical. Now, to get that vertical video onto Instagram, unless you have a secondary app that allows you to do it from the desktop, which is not a standard function of Instagram, it's something that you would have to get from a third party that might not be supported fully by Instagram, so may or may not work, but I know there's some things out there if you want to look into that. So to get it to your mobile device, you can go to Share. If you have another Apple product you want to share it to, you can go to AirDrop. And as long as you, anybody who has their device set to be discovered by everyone will pop up here. So right here, there's user's iPhone. You can go into your settings on your phone to make sure that you enable AirDrop and to be discovered. Or you could do share. You could send it through email. You could send it through iMessage. So multiple ways to get it to a mobile device to be able to post on Instagram from there. So there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to another Your Library at Home. We hope to see you next time. Get to creating. Come on into Studio 270, freshly remodeled to use iMovie, Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, any of the great, wonderful music, video, and other media software that we have. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your time. We'll see you next time.